short little doodad. Ugh. It's so humid. I'm gonna show you guys something. See this? Have these little carabiner stays on there? What a lot of people do trad climbing, they'll take a draw and they'll clip it like this. But then you're carrying up so much extra bulk. Instead, what I like to do, take a 30 centimeter sling, and there, clip that into the rope. Just like that. Much less bulk, much less weight. I only brought that draw up to show you guys, but, and girls, and lizards, but just think about all the weight you're carrying. You have to spend the calories. You have to spend the calories to bring that stuff up. Ooh, that's number 3. Maybe I should have brought 2 4s. I'm gonna clip right into this one. All right. Perp. It's one of the best parts about trad. You need to bump your gear up. But then conversely, one of the worst parts about trad is that your gear comes out if you do something wrong. Or if the rock does something wrong. Take. Very exciting.